people, welcome to Best Version channel, the channel that will help you and lead you to be and to live the best version, your best version. Look, my earrings matching with my cherry blossoms. I love cherry blossoms. It's one of the symbology of my company. Yeah, visit my website and you're gonna know more about us, our symbology, our values, our mission. And I love it. I love the cherry blossoms because they mean the beginning of spring and transformation. And it's all about transformation. I love to help people in their transformation process to be their best version. Okay, today's video is for single people. I for single people who cannot decide between two types of guys, between two types of people. And I want to help you and inspire you with a little bit of my story, and maybe it will help you to make the right decision for your life. Let's say there is a guy who has money and assets and house and things that you think like, oh, I'm gonna have a nice future with this person. He already has a lot of things. He is super nice in his position in his career. He's already in where I'd like to be, and he will help me to get me there, blah 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 blah. And that is another guy who is very humble and simple and doesn't make that much money, but you like him. You feel like you guys are best friends and you feel super comfortable around him. You can be yourself, or maybe you can feel yourself with the other guy too. I'm just like, it's just an example. The guy respects you. He looks to you and he see your heart. He doesn't pay attention only the outside of only your beauty or only your body. He look at you from within. He appreciates your heart and your values. And what matters for you? What is important for you? Be well treated, be respected, be loved, truly loved, or just have things. Have nice clothes, have a nice car, have a house. What is important for you? What's gonna make you happy, truly happy? First of all, I would advise you to look to yourself and make a list of your values, of what is important for you. Then you're gonna compare with each person. Which one have the values super similar to your values? Which one matches you better? That's the right match. I'll tell you a little story that will make you to understand better. When you choose wisely, when you choose with your heart, when you choose asking God's opinion, then you're gonna find your path to happiness. Then you're gonna be truly happy. When I met my husband, I was not looking for any relationship. I had a relationship before, a long relationship, and we ended up separating and breaking up, and it was hurtful. I felt depressed for a while, but then I healed myself, and I was super okay with myself. Self-love, self-esteem, self-knowledge. I was super okay by myself. But I came here to United States and I was feeling alone. I didn't have family, I didn't have friends. So I downloaded apps just to talk with people, just to have people to talk with. And that's how I met my husband. Of course, there were other guys talking to me too. Engineers, doctors, But I already had my list of values. I already had my list of what matters. So I could filter. No, nah, that doesn't match with me. I won't talk anymore. Like, I'm okay. I would just want to talk with people. I don't want any relationship. But then came my husband, a guy who made me laugh, who wanted to go to church with me, and I always made him laugh too, and I felt super comfortable around him. And when my English was not that good, And we were talking like using Google Translate, and he was super understanding, and he would always compliment my heart of how grateful he was for my heart, for the way, for my way, for the way that I am. And he got my attention. And I was asking God to give me a lot of signs to talk to me like what was his opinion about this guy. And God, he gave me answers for all the signs that I asked, and even more than I asked. And we got married. And Richard, he was super simple, super simple. He had a simple job. He used to live in a little simple place. The mattress on the floor. When we got married, we didn't have a shower. We didn't have laundry room or washer, dryer, dishwasher. None of those things. But what we had, love, true love, and gratitude in our hearts. When we are grateful for what we have, when we're happy with that little, God, he pours more blessings. He keep pouring. He honor you in everything you do. And we were being super blessed. We would have gifts. We got a bed from his parents, and we were being blessed with gifts. We had a wedding shower who helped us a lot. And I was telling him, like, you're gonna see, in less than a year, you're gonna be able to move out to a better place. And he, oh my gosh, no, Juliana, you're crazy. You dream too big. And I know, but I know that we can make it happen. I already had all my certifications, and I already understood a lot about law of attraction, and also when we are grateful, and also when we put God first in our relationship, in our lives, that he can pour more and more blessings. And I just knew in my heart that we'd be able to move out to a better place in a short time. And then I helped him to believe too. And he, oh my gosh, you're super wife coach. He calls me wife coach sometimes because I kind of coached him on the way. But anyway, and then we were able to move to a better place. And he got a better job. I got a job, a better job. And we were able to grow together. When you choose somebody for love, not because you're interested in something, but for love, your life will be a bless. Your marriage will be a bless. Your God, he will honor you in every step you take. He will pour more and more in your life. You guys together will buy that beautiful house of your dreams. You guys will have new cars. You guys will go on trips, and you're gonna live the life that you deserve and the life that you dream when you treat yourself inside, when you're with the right person, and when you guys together pray and make it happen. So my advice for today, if you're like if you can't decide, if you're between what do you follow? Follow your heart. Follow your heart. Choose the path of true love. That path, you're gonna be truly happy. You know why? Because what if you marry someone just because you're interested in assets or something else? That person lose everything. What's gonna happen? Or if you marry someone just for those interests, and you guys will fight, because every marriage you have fights, you have challenges. How are you gonna overcome those? Love is the strength who helps us to go through that bridge of fights or bridge of challenge together. That's why I tell you, choose love. Choose the person who you feel that it's your best friend, the person who you feel truly happy, and the person who you value and admire your values and your heart for who you are. Choose the person who you feel yourself and feel comfortable around. Choose the truth. Choose to follow your heart. And you're gonna be truly happy, and you're gonna achieve everything you want. But with the right person, you're gonna achieve everything else because you already achieved love, because you already have somebody special, your best friend by your side. And that's all. I hope my story could inspire you and help you to decide, or at least halfway in your decision. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share this video with somebody that you know that is kind of like that don't know what to do. If share this video with your friends. Give me your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I hope see you again. Bye. See you in the next video.